Alright, so here's how to invite someone on ClickUp. First of all, just open your ClickUp software and go on channel, list, or workspace, wherever you want to add someone to ClickUp. There are two ways. If you want to invite someone to your workspace, just go on top left corner, click on your profile icon, and here click on people. Now here just type the email and click on invite people. Now if you want to invite someone particularly to your list or space, just click on this three dots right beside list, or you can say space, and click on sharing and permissions, and here just type the email, example like this. After typing the email, wait a second, made some error. All right, as you can see, I've already invited this. So what I'm trying to say is, when you will type the email, you will see invite people. So just click on that and you will be able to uh, change their permissions from full edit to edit, comment, or view only. Also, you can make them member, limited member, guest, or admin. So that's it for the video. Thanks for